This is my story. I was born in a hurry. The world made war. My parents made love, and I screamed into life. My mother was a free spirit, my father gung-ho. Together, they were unstoppable, and I came along for the ride. The wind was always in my hair, dirt on my face, flies in my teeth. Did Mom give me too much freedom? Did Dad make me lust for too great an adventure? My scars and bruises tell their own story. So, here's to you, Mom and Dad. Freedom and adventure.